Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carla and I am so happy that you stopped by today. So today's video is going to be a extreme clean with me. So this video took me 2 days. This was actually a Friday, and if you are new here, you do not know, I have stepkids that go back to their mother's house on a Friday. We have them every week, or I'm sorry, we have them 1 week on, 1 week off, and every Friday I try. Doesn't always happen, but for the most part, every Friday that they go back to their mom, I go ahead and change their sheets and clean out their room, laundry, all of that. That way when they come back the following Friday, it is good to go. And I try to do this, I think 2 Fridays ago I was not able to, but I did this Friday. Also, I will be changing their sheets, my son's sheets, and our sheets. And then I am also trying some new cleaning products for y'all. They are Dollar Tree cleaning products. So I'm happy to say that some of these cleaning products that I've tried so far have worked, and some I'm just like, I don't know, I have to rethink this. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I have a lot of little tips for y'all and little, I guess tips or hacks. I'm not sure how you like to call it. But I will be sharing them with y'all throughout the video. Alright guys, what you just saw me do, I do not use dryer sheets for my clothes. I am very sensitive. I use dryer balls, but I do use a dryer sheets, and I put them on the mattresses before I put the fitted sheet on. I just think that this gives it a just got out of the dryer type of smell to the sheets. That way every time you go to bed, you can just smell just whatever scent that you get for your dryer sheets, you can just smell that, and it just feels like or smells like they just came out of the dryer. And in this video, you will see me put them in our room, like on our mattress. I typically do not like to do this because I am super sensitive to smells. Like right here or right there, you just saw me, I sneezed. That is because I grabbed that air freshener, that cinnamon air freshener, and it just made me sneeze. So I'm super sensitive, but I do put the dryer sheets on our mattress, and we have been sleeping on it. What is today? Today is a Monday, I think, and I have been fine with it. So, and I do smell it, but it's not as strong, I guess. But yes, so I think that is a good idea, especially if you have kids, and sometimes they like to get on their bed with clothes on. Like I am a big believer in you do not get on your bed with clothes that you have gone to school with, or you just been out running errands or on the street, just outside of the home. I do not like that. I never allowed my son to get onto the bed with clothes on. I just think that is just not sanitary. You're bringing all that stuff from either school or wherever you're at outside playing onto your bed, and I think that when you go to bed, you should be clean and fresh, and your bed shouldn't smell like you've been rolling around outside.
Do you know I'm looking? Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't, and I complain and dismiss it, and I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad for business.
I also love to use linen spray or fabric spray, whichever one. I think I have 2 linen sprays, and then I have about 4 fabric sprays, the Febreze brand. I use any of them, whichever one is accessible, I use them. For the most part, the fabric one I keep to the mattress. The linen one, I use it on my stepdaughter's stuffed animals or throw pillows, of course their mattress, But I really love those things because you can really smell it. And I also spray it on our dog's bed as well.
I know, baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad.
Alright guys, now I love essential oils and I love using them all over the house. So this is one way I use them. These little pink sachets here, I don't know what you call them, mesh bags, but I got them at the Dollar Tree in the baby shower section. So all you do is take 2 or 3 cotton balls and just drench it with whatever essential oil you have. I think the chestnut, and that's all I do. Put it in the little bag and I either stick it in their closet, or this one I am putting behind their door. I think the one in my son's room was inside his closet, but I do that in their bathroom, also in the linen closet. You want to do that in an area where I guess you don't open as much. In the linen closet is one of those areas for me in our house. We have one in the hallway, and then we have a linen closet in the kids' bathroom, and I make sure that I have them in there. And then I like to do this in their bedroom just because this door is going to be closed for the next 7 days unless I have to go in here and put some laundry in their room that I have washed. But for the most part, this door stays closed for 7 days, and we all know when you have a door that's just closed and it's not open and there's no ventilation, it starts to just have a smell. So I like to do this and put it behind their door. That way, every time I do open it, or if I do go to open it for some reason, I can smell those oils. You guys, this window cleaner from LA is totally awesome. It is amazing. That is a brand that you want to get if you do get a window cleaner from the Dollar Tree, or the foam one. I think I've used that in a couple of my videos. Those two are the best ones from the Dollar Tree. I love it. It leaves everything streak free. It does have it. The vinegar one does have a strong vinegar smell, but I don't mind vinegar. I love vinegar, but this works amazing. Alright y'all, so these right here are supposed to be like the Swiffer wet mops, and well, to be honest, I really did not like what they did. Like, for me, they didn't clean very well. They are super thin. They did the purpose in the bathroom, but I don't think it's something that I would use throughout the whole entire house. But it did serve its purpose in here, but I wasn't that impressed. And also they're not long enough. They're really short and they're really thin. You're going to see in just a second. You can see clearly. You can see right through them. So I'm not sure how I feel about these. And right there you saw that I found another baggie, another little mesh baggie in my son's closet. This time I just added some more oils to the cotton balls that were already there, and I decided to put it behind his door just because of his room. He was telling me that there was some sort of smell, so I'm not sure if it's because I keep these doors closed throughout the day just because I don't want our dog. She's not allowed in the bedrooms and she knows this, but sometimes if I'm in the shower, I don't find her and she's in one of the kids' rooms just laying down and she knows she's not supposed to be on the carpet. So I don't know what's going on, but I decided to go ahead and put it behind his door.
The death of you and me. You never know until it's over. Message from the heart. And so you need another lover. Just tear it apart. Reaching and running won't take you far. Probably end up right where you are. Renting and finding cash to stuff. Way ahead, but you can get out of the start. Reaching and running won't take you far. Probably end up right where you are. Renting and finding cash to stuff. Way ahead, but you can get out of the sliding blocks. Off the starting blocks.
Alright guys, this is something else I wanted to share with you, a little cleaning hack or tip. Take your dryer sheets and wipe down your couch, just like you're wiping down like with a cloth or anything, and wipe down your throw pillows, and literally your throw pillows and your couch will smell like your dryer sheets. And that is something that you can do really quick if you have company coming over and you don't have any spray or linen spray or fabric spray. You literally take one of those sheets and just wipe down your whole couch, and trust me, this stuff works. Oh, look at that sleeping little baby over there. I thought that was super funny. I did not want to disturb her, and she doesn't like the vacuum. I mean, she doesn't mind it, but she just doesn't like it if I'm coming towards her with the vacuum. She'll get up immediately, so you'll see me back up instead of going forward like towards where she is. I kind of back up towards her. That way it doesn't look like I'm coming at her with the vacuum, because she does not like it at all. She does not mind it, but she just does not like when you come towards her with it for some reason.
And you can get out of the starting blocks. You can get out of the starting blocks. Off the starting blocks. And you can get out of the starting blocks.
Y'all, I love candles. I don't care if it's not Christmas time anymore. I love gingerbread, cinnamon. I will light them up in the house because I just love them. And here I am vacuuming this area again because remember, Bella was sleeping in the corner and I did not want to bother her. So since she got up, I went back and I went ahead and vacuumed her area.
Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.
Alright, as you can see, it is the next day. All I had to do was my bedroom, and then I decided to go ahead and organize my dresser. Now, I will tell you that I will not show you the after of the dresser just because I have a lot of personal and, my underwear, undergarments, however you want to call them. My husband actually had come upstairs. He was working in the garage and said, "Why are you filming your underwear?" And I told him no, that I had paused the camera, and then also I was going to edit some of that out, but I really wish that I can show you the dresser because I completely rearranged it, and I cannot believe that I didn't do this from the beginning. I have so much space, or like I have everything in a different place, but it feels like it's just completely different. I can't even explain it. I just love the way it turned out. But I also got rid of some shorts, some PJs. That was one thing that was on my big to-do list, my PJs, because I have shirts. I have everything that's mismatched. I have a lot of shorts, but a lot of my t-shirts that I sleep in are my husband's shirts. So I had to get rid of some of those. But you guys, I did a lot in my dresser and I'm so happy with how it looks.
And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention. Don't need nobody else in our zone.
Alright guys, so this drawer that I'm about to show you is actually where all like my underwear was, but I had these dividers that I got off of Amazon. I will link them down below. They're actually, I think, maybe 4 in a pack, I believe, but I love this because it's separated. The way I have my underwear separated, I mean, that might be too much information, but I like my sleep underwear or my going out, or like the ones I wear with my scrubs. So this worked out amazing. I just love it. And then what did I use? Oh, the other dividers I'm using for my leggings, and that's going to be at the bottom of my drawer. I have my leggings separated from leggings that I wear out, and then I have leggings that I use around the house that are either dirty, like bleached, well, not dirty, bleached, and I use those a lot when I paint. And then I have ones that are just like ripped, and I use those if I'm working outside or if I'm doing something. Like sometimes my leggings get caught in like the thorns or the bushes outside. So yeah, so this drawer, that drawer that you just saw, is where I have the other dividers. These right here, you guys, were on sale at Ace Hardware. 3 for $9.99. I had gone in there with my husband. He was looking for stuff. I don't know what he was looking for, but I happened to come upon like this end cap, and they had a bunch of Mrs. Meyer's, just a bunch. I did not know that Ace Hardware had these or sold these, and I was super excited, but some of the scents I did not care for, so I did pick up that peppermint, and I really wish they had it in the hand soap, but they just had it in the dish soap. So I just grabbed 3 of those, and they were, like I said, 3 for $9.99. I was so surprised because I pay about $4 a piece at Target, I think. Some of them are a little bit more, but yeah, I was really excited, so I just grabbed 3 of them. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Come and swan to the local paraiso under the lazy evening sun. Paraiso.